Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today, I will tell you or discuss the summary of your fifth chapter, and the chapter name is The Dolls Festival. So, students, first of all, I will discuss about the festivals. Dear students, do you celebrate festivals? Yes, definitely. You celebrate the festivals like Diwali, Holi, Eid, Durga Puja, etc. In these festivals, Dolls Festival is also one of them. Golu is the festive display of dolls in South India during the autumn festive season, particularly around the Navratri festival. It is also known as Golu or Kolu. In Tamil, it is called Boma Kolu. BOMMA Boma Kolu. KOLU. In Telugu, it is called Bomala Kolu. And the spelling is BOMMALAKOLUVU. And in Kannada, it is called Gombe Haba. And the spelling is GOMBE Gombe Haba. HABBA. Each displayed, you can see in the picture also, in this image you can see each display item in a Golu display is sometimes called Golu doll. They are typically made by rural artisans from clay and local materials. Then brightly painted, you can see these are brightly painted. They are generally arranged in an odd number of pairs to tell a story. Students, do you know about the odd number? What is odd number? The number that cannot be divided exactly by 2. By 2. During the Golu festival or display season, families visit each other with gifts to view and chit-chat over the Golu display, share festive foods, and sometimes play music or sing devotional song together. Major Hindu temples such as the Meenakshi temple. Which major Hindu temple? Meenakshi temple. Arrange Golu display every year for Navratri. Golu display are particularly popular in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. So, Golu display are particularly popular in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Now I will show you a clip related to Golu festival. So, let's get started. Welcome to our Golu. See, it looks beautiful. Theme: Festival of India, story and celebrations. Here, Pongal Makar Sankranti is Sankranti, signify Uttarayan period. The Pongal celebration, harvest celebration. Matu Pongal celebration, celebrate and honor for. Next is people folk of Murugan debated story of Satyavan Savitri. Karadyan Nombu celebration. Story of Neelakantha, where Lord Shiva protects Devas from Asurs. Mahashivratri. People conduct Abhishekam and prayer to pure Lord Shiva. Ram Navami. Significance. Birth of Shri Rama, Prince of Ayodhya. Here, Ram Navami celebration. Pandals with concerts. See Ram Navami celebration. Destruction of Holika. Hiranyakashyap's sister Holika tried to kill Prahlad. Here, Holi celebration. Tamil Patandu. It's a new year of Tamil Nadu. Vara Lakshmi Vartam, or you can say Nombu. Upanayam Nam, thread ceremony. Avni Avittam, Upkarma ceremony. It's a Ramjan celebration. Guru Nanak pub celebrations. See, it's look beautiful, so bright. Story of Mahabali and Vamnasur. Onam celebration. Here, birth of Lord Krishna. Krishna Janmashtami celebration. Puja, yummy snacks. Story of Ganesha. Ganesh Chaturthi celebration in Maharashtra. Slaying of Mahishasur by goddess. The battle. Navratri celebration around India. Navratri celebration around India. Navratri celebration around India in Gujarat. Navratri celebration around India, West Bengal, Durga Puja. Navratri celebration in Saraswati Puja. Here, battle between Krishna and Narkasur. Narka Chaturthi. Deepavali celebration and Lakshmi Puja. Birth of Lord Muruga and Kartigai, Bengal taking care of people. Kartigai celebration. Birth of Jesus Christ. Christmas celebrations. '18 festivals, significance and celebration all over India. Grand traditional Golu paddy. You can see. Yep. It looks so beautiful. See, the colors are so bright. Wow, it's look amazing. Hope you enjoyed watching our Golu festival. So students, hope you all enjoyed this clip and had fun in watching the Golu festival. Now in next video we will read the chapter The Doors Festival. Thank you and have a nice day.